In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix Snapchat support code SS03. If this guide does help you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But SS03 usually happens after too many login attempts or if Snapchat does detect suspicious activity from your connection. The first thing I recommend doing is actually on an iPhone backing out and going to your settings and then specifically going into general and scrolling down until you see this VPN and device management section. On an Android, just go into settings, network, and VPN. If a VPN is on, disconnect it on either of those devices because Snapchat is going to flag logins from unusual countries or IP addresses. From here, reinstall or clear cache. On an iPhone, simply go back to the main settings section, specifically in general, and go to iPhone storage and then search up Snapchat in this application section and open it back up. Hit offload app and then reinstall it. On Android, go to settings, apps, Snapchat, storage, and then clear cache and clear data. What this is going to do is temporarily reset files that may be causing login errors. When you do reinstall, if you are still getting that error, go ahead and try logging in with Wi-Fi off using mobile data because this is going to tell Snapchat that you're logging in from your regular device and location. If it still doesn't work, the account may be temporarily locked. In that case, you will need to wait until the restriction lifts, usually within a day or two, or check out our video on how to remove that lock. If you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.